Interesting facts about stand-up fish, or tripod fish. Bathotarawa sp. Despite its harsh habitat, the deep sea is home to a wide variety of rare organisms with different adaptations. Tripod fish, or Bathotarawa sp. are able to stand on the seafloor by utilizing their fins. Additionally, tripod fish use their fins rather than their eyes to find food. Why is that? Let's learn more about tripod fish, now. Diverse organisms live in the sea as their environment. The 5 distinct zones of the ocean, the epipelagic zone at the top, the mesopelagic zone below, the bathopelagic, the abyssopelagic, and the deepest hydropelagic, are to blame for this. Distinct creatures inhabit distinct marine zones based on their adaptations as a result of variations in sun intensity, temperature, pressure, oxygen level, and nutritional content. The conditions are more severe the deeper the sea, including less intense sun, lower temperatures, more pressure, less oxygen content, and differing nutrient contents. In this manner, species that inhabit ever deeper waters will develop new and severe adaptations for survival. As a sort of adaptation, the organisms that live in the deep sea have unique traits. It is related to predatory behavior and predator avoidance in dark situations. Deep sea species must adapt and blend in to do this. Deep-sea animals can adapt by having a transparent body that can match the color of its surroundings, a colored body, monochrome or another color, being phosphorescent, or having unique body components like smaller eyes or reshaped fins. They can also adapt by being hermaphrodites. This time, we'll talk about organisms with unique body structures called tripod fish, Bathotarawa sp. A benthic deep-sea fish that can adapt to the circumstances of the seafloor is known as a tripod fish. Tripod fish belong to the Bathotarawa genus and family of the Hypnopodidae. There are 19 distinct species of tripod fish. Tripod fish are found in temperate and tropical deep oceans between 250 and 6,000 meters deep all over the world. Hermaphrodites, smaller eyes, and modified pectoral, chest, pelvic, abdominal, and tail fins are among the modifications of tripod fish. Tripod fish have smaller eyes because they can't utilize them to find food in the deep sea's darkness. Tripod fish employ modified fins in place of eyes for this purpose. Many Bathotarawa species have pectoral fins that are lengthy and flattened to touch the seafloor. These fins are fitted with nerves that are centered on the spine. The pectoral fins that reach the seafloor include nerves, which allow them to serve as sensors for hunting by detecting prey movement. While standing on the seafloor substrate, the pectoral fins can be positioned either upright or forward. In order to assist the fish stand on the substrate, tripod fish have modified pelvic and tail fins that are long and flat to the bottom of the ocean. Tripod fish do not have neural systems in their pelvic or tail fins, in contrast to their pectoral fins. All of these fins have pads at the ends that serve as protection when the fins make touch with the seafloor. Tripod fish can't stand on the seafloor thanks to their fins, but they are unable to move when they are swimming. Only when you want them to, during landing and when you're scanning the seafloor for potential prey, do the fins stabilize you. The tripod fish moved as seen below on the seabed substratum. The tripod fish's adaptation to its fins is a result of the abundance of food in the deep water. The tripod fish is a filter feeder that consumes a suspension of benthopelagic plankton, which is plankton that freely floats close to the seafloor. By employing modified fins, these benthopelagic plankton can identify tripod fish. These fins have the ability to move forward or up to stand on the seafloor and begin hunting for prey. Tripod fish may, however, also eat larger prey that is located higher in the water column. This happens in the Bathysteridae grallator, which is assisted by an extended tail and stomach components, allowing it to reach the required height to devour prey in the water column. Tripod fish have evolved into hermaphrodites in order to survive on the deep sea floor. When an organism has two fully functional sex organs, one for each sex, it is said to be hermaphrodite. Tripod fish's hermaphroditic nature extends the length of their breeding season. Additionally, it is well known that tripod fish can breed continuously, or at any time of year, outside of specific seasons. However, tripod fish spend lonely lives and find it challenging to find a spouse for fertilization because of the exceedingly harsh deep-sea habitat. As a result, tripod fish can develop eggs and sperm at the same time and engage in self-fertilization to create more progeny. Tripod fish's adaptations as hermaphrodites and their capacity for continual reproduction allow them to live in harsh deep-sea settings. In conclusion, due to its adaptation, the tripod fish, Bathysteridae sp. is a distinctive deep-sea species. The tripod fish can stand on the seafloor while looking for food because to its lengthy fins. Due to the harsh deep-sea environment without sunlight, tripod fish use their fins as sensors and hence no longer require their eyes. Eyes have decreased. Tripod fish are hermaphrodites, which allows them to survive and reproduce in harsh conditions. Tripod fish can survive in the deep water thanks to some of these characteristics.